Hello children, good morning. In the previous class we have studied about the polar regions of the world, where they are located, from which latitude to which latitude their polar regions are located. We have studied in the previous class, and we also studied about the climate, vegetation and animal life of the polar regions. And in today's class we are going to learn about the human settlements of polar region. In the polar region of northern hemisphere, people had settled in 980 AD. You know children, they first settled in Greenland, and the people of these regions are called by different names. In North America and Greenland they are called as Inuits, and in Finland they are called as Laps and Finns, and in Siberia they are called as Yakuts and Chukchis. So in today's lesson we are going to learn about Greenland, a country which is located in the northern hemisphere, and this is a part of Denmark. Children, can we see any greenery in the Greenland? No. But why it has got the name as Greenland? Just to attract the people from other countries, the name has given as Greenland. And you know, 80% of the Greenland is covered with ice and snow permanently, not for some days. Permanently, it is covered with ice and snow, 80%. Okay children, now let us see the location of the Greenland. Now it is bordered by Atlantic Ocean in the southeast and the Greenland Sea in the east, and in the west it is bordered by Baffin Bay, and in the north it is bordered with Arctic Ocean. Children, Greenland is a island. How can we say that? If you see that total all the sides it is covered with water. What is island? A land which is surrounded by water, all the sides or four sides is called a island. And Greenland is the largest island in the world, and most part of the Greenland lies in the Arctic Circle. Next, let us see the natives of the country. Okay, Inuits are the natives of the country, and the people of Greenland are known as Inuits. They are short and stout. People of Greenland are very strong with yellow skin, flat faces, narrow black eyes and black hair. Now let us see the lifestyle of Greenlanders. First we will see about the food. The people of Greenland live on animals as no crops grow here. Live on animals means they will not stay on animals. They will eat the animals. Why? Because there are no crops, and animals' flesh is their chief food. Their main supply of food comes from seal. They hunt the seal for food and for other useful things. People make strong little boats. They are known as kayaks for hunting seal and clothing. The people of Greenland wear heavy clothes to protect their bodies from the biting cold. They usually wear a double set of trousers. Trouser means pant, and coats made of animal fur, and they will wear the animal caps, all fur caps. They attach a hood to the coat to cover their head. Same type of clothes are worn by men and women. Next is dwelling. The houses of Eskimos are made of ice. Such houses are called igloos. They make igloos in a dome-shaped structure. Which shape? Like a dome-shaped structure. A small breathing hole is left at the center of the dome, and the floor of the igloo is covered with animal skin. And Eskimos go from one igloo to the other through the tunnels, and seal fat is used to light lamps. What they will do, you know children, they will burn the fat of the seal. From the fire they will get the lights, and not only the light, that will provide the warmth to their bodies. Only those Greenlanders who live in extreme north make snow houses for themselves, and you know, during winter season. And in summer, you know children, they live in skin tents. They are called as taupigs. Let us see the occupation. Hunting is the main occupation of the Greenlanders, and their main hunting weapon is harpoon. A harpoon is a spear with a rope attached to it. They hunt sea animals like seals, walruses, and big fish with harpoons. They dig small hole in the ice and wait for a fish or seal to come up to breathe. Then they kill it with the harpoon. Their method of hunting is quite strange. Kayak and sledge are very helpful to the Greenlanders. A kayak is what is a kayak? Kayak is a small boat made of seal, skin and bones, and sledges are wheelless carts used by Greenlanders to bring back the hunted animals. And they also use a boat called umaik, which is a large open sea boat made of animal skin and wood to hunt and whales. Next, let us see the life of the Greenlanders. The life of Greenlanders have undergone many changes in recent times. Now they have learnt the art of cooking. They get tinned vegetables, packed vegetables and milk from other parts of the world. Greenlanders live in permanent houses. They use modern machinery like outboard motors and powered sledges. And nowadays they are using their rifles for hunting and motor boats for fishing. And many educational centers and hospitals have been set up. Many fur farms have been set up to breed animals. Today there is a fine network of transport. Good roads connect towns. There are many towns in Greenland that have all the modern amenities, and the rapid development, fast development of industries such as oil drilling and mining can be seen. They provide, these industries, what they will provide? They provide employment to many people, and the capital of the Greenland is Nuuk. And Godawan is a major city of the country. Holsteinburg is a large port city. Kangerlussuaq is the major airport. Some towns have air links with Denmark and North America. And the people of Greenland speak Greenlandic, Danish and English. Greenland is also known as the land of tomorrow, as the country has rich natural resources that provides good required for the other countries. And you know children, in spite of the harsh life, they are always happy and cheerful. Now let us read the lesson. Human settlements. People had settled in the polar region of the northern hemisphere in 980 AD itself. Mighty warriors from Norway, the Vikings, created the first settlement in Greenland. Some important inhabitants of the tundra lowlands are Inuits of North America and Greenland, Lapps and Finns of Finland, Yakuts and Chukchis of Siberia, Greenland. Greenland was named thus to attract people from the other countries of the world to settle there. It is a part of Denmark, that lies between the Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It is the largest island in the world and lies mostly within the Arctic Circle. The Atlantic Ocean borders Greenland southeast. The Greenland Sea is to its east, the Arctic Ocean is to its north, and the Baffin Bay is to its west. Greenland looks white since about 80% of it is permanently covered with ice and snow. Sometimes huge pieces of ice break and slide down into the sea as icebergs. They are very dangerous for the ships as they are mostly not clear visible due to heavy fog in the region. Inuits, the natives of the country. Inuits are the natives of Greenland. They belong to the Mongoloid race. They are very strong people with yellow skin, flat faces, narrow black eyes and black hair. They are also short and stout. Inuits have gradually spread across the Arctic regions of the continent. They are now found living in Russia, the United States, Canada and Greenland. In Canada they are called Inuits, while in Alaska they call themselves Inupiata, and in Siberia they are called Yupik and Yuta. Lifestyle of Greenlanders. Food. The people of Greenland eat food with rich fat content in order to combat the cold Arctic climatic conditions. The Arctic Ocean provides the people with a great variety of food. The most important part of their diet is seals, salmon, squads, whales and other sea animals. They eat land animals like caribou and geese in summer. During winter they hunt polar bears, foxes and hares. Their favorite foods are seal and caribou meat, walrus liver and whale skin. Clothing. Very low temperature throughout the year forces people to wear clothes made of seal skin. They keep their heads covered with fur caps. They wear hooded jackets called parkas. Double trousers are leggings, socks, high boots and mittens. Dwelling. The Inuits lead a nomadic life in search of food. They normally do not have permanent settlements but have separate summer and winter homes. In summer they make tents with reindeer and seal skin. These tents are called topics. Their winter houses are made of sod, which is the top layer of soil mixed with roots of grass or small plants. Blocks of sod are piled one on top of the other to build the walls of the house. In some places, they live in the houses made of blocks of ice. These houses are known as igloos. They are semicircular in shape with a dome-shaped roof and a small entrance facing the sea. These help them to get the warm sea breeze into their houses. The inner part of the house is covered with seal skin and seal fat is used to light lamps, which also provides warmth. The entrance of igloos is so narrow and that one has to crawl into the house. Occupation. Hunting, fishing, trapping animals and herding are the major occupations of the people. Farming is impossible in the region because of dry and icy grounds. Earlier, people used to hunt large seals and walruses using harpoons. They are sharp spears made of animal bones or stones with leather ropes attached to them. These harpoons were thrown across the sea to catch animals. Then ropes were used to pull the hunted animals or to bring back the harpoons fallen into the sea. People also used bows and arrows for hunting. Now people use automatic rifles in place of harpoons, bows and arrows. People depend a great deal on animals for most of the things. Their clothing, tents and boats are made of animal skin. They use animal bones for making harpoons. animal fat for lighting lamps, and meat as food. Transport. Laying of roads and railways is impossible in the icy tundras. People travel across the cold desert land on sledges. These are the carts without wheels drawn by reindeers or dogs called huskies. They use small boats called kayaks made of animal skin such as seals stretched over a wooden frame for hunting animals in the sea. They also use a boat called umiak, which is a large open sea boat made of animal skin and wood to hunt animals. Modern life of Greenlanders. The Inuits in northern Greenland still follow the traditional lifestyle, but the life of the people who have shifted to towns or small villages has changed a lot. They wear modern clothing, live in modern houses, and eat a variety of tinned food. Instead of kayaks and sledges, they use motorboats, helicopters, and snowmobiles. In fact, some places even have air transport connecting them with cities in Europe and North America. The people of Greenland have improved education, housing, and healthcare facilities. They also provided training for jobs in manufacturing and service industries. They have also learnt the art of carpentry, metalwork and shipbuilding, mining, food processing and log industries provide employment to them. The capital city of Greenland is Gothenburg or Nuuk. Godwan is a major city of the country. Helsingborg is a large port city. The major airport is Kangerlussuaq Airport, earlier known as the Blue West 8. It is an international airport. Greenland has 18 airfields now, out of which 14 are paved. The domestic flights are operated by Air Greenland. The official languages of the Greenland are Greenlandic and Danish. English is also spoken widely across the country. Greenlanders are peace-loving people and keep off fights. They live a very harsh life but are still very cheerful and loving. This land is also known as the land of tomorrow because of its rich natural resources, as the country may provide goods required for the other countries in future. Okay children?